Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Suzuki Boulevard M109. 1800 cc's of big bore power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike has a lot of really cool custom upgrades. The front low slung fender, white wheels, chrome radiator, cover, engine guards, intake. Wait till you hear that exhaust. It's got some really cool chrome handlebars, grips, mirrors. We put a new back tire on this bad boy, so you won't have to worry about that. Shaft drive, 6-speed transmission. This big bore power cruiser just arrived in gorgeous condition. Come on by, make your M109 dreams come true for just $79.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.